What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on this Bosch 20 Seer system, and it just shows you that nobody is perfect. If you guys know by now, I like the Bosch. I own a Bosch now, but I'm not I'm never saying that they're perfect. I'll never say that a manufacturer is perfect, that they don't have issues. That would just be, that would not be truth. That would not be the truth. But I do find that the issues that Bosch tends to have are issues that are easier to fix than other manufacturers, like manufacturers that are having problems with their compressors, their TXVs, leaks in the coils, stuff like that, at a much higher rate. But pretty much check out this blower right here, right? So the thermostat's off, and this blower is doing this weird, it just turns on and then immediately off. And the again, the thermostat is off right now. So kind of a weird thing too, if you unplug it, it actually still manages to do it somehow. It's like holds a charge internally and keeps just going back and forth and making a very weird noise. So I actually noticed that when I was doing the startup. So this is actually a new system. And well, that's it. Let's go ahead and change it out, and then I'll show y'all when I'm done with it. Alright, y'all, so there's the new motor, there's the old one over there. And now's the time, the moment of truth, right? So now that we plug this bad boy in, it should not be randomly kicking on for no reason. There it is. So there you have it, guys and gals. If you want to know how to replace the indoor blower motor, I already have 1 or 2 videos on how to do that. That's not really the purpose of this video. This video was merely to show that even a premier and really nice system like the Bosch systems can have problems. I am gonna make a video in the near future on kind of talking about the common failures I see on these systems and on the other 2 brands that we carry, which are Day and Night and Train. So stay posted for that. Well, that's pretty much it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.